Hey guys, this side Sahil, and in this video I'm going to show you that how can you install Windscribe in your Linux system. So for that, open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome in my case. Okay, now just head over to windscribe.com. So windscribe, windscribe.com. Now click on download. We will be using GUI application. So click on Linux and click on download new GUI. And I'm using Debian, so I'll click on ubuntu/debian. So this will download the .deb file of Windscribe. So just almost there. Okay, click on keep. Now just go to your download folder. So first of all, get the root privileges. So sudo su. Now just go to the downloads folder. So basically this is the Windscribe application. Now what you have to do is just type dpkg -- install and windscribe _2.15.18.amd64.deb and then hit enter. So basically this will install Windscribe in your computer. So I guess it is installed. Let's check. So windscribe. So yeah, it is installed. Just click on it and this will launch your Windscribe. Now you will get a prompt for a login with your account and ID. I have already done that, so I didn't got that. So this is how you can install Windscribe in your computer. Thanks for watching.